you know my name, that is Khushi Singh and you're watching Pep Talk India's video. Well, today again I have brought you one of the most promising participants at Pep Talk India that she was. Now she has become an alumnus. Yeah, so let's hear from her how has been her journey and who she is, what she does. Alright, so let's do it. Yes, Pallavi, tell us something about you.
Hi everyone, like the way ma'am mentioned, my name is Pallavi Negi and I'm basically from Himachal. And then I did my schooling from Himachal and eventually went on to work with companies in Delhi, in fact with a lot of hotels across India. And currently I am working with a company called Hotel Logic. So my company basically provides softwares to hotels.
Softwares to hotels?
Yes.
And earlier you have worked in different hotels?
Yes, I worked with 5-star brands across India. So I worked in around 6 cities. And after 6 years I decided to change my stream.
Why so?
A lot to do with the timings that I had. So I wanted more time for myself and wanted to study and do things like that. So I decided to switch from that to training. And that is when I decided to join Pep Talk.
That's lovely. So now that brings another question here, that how has been your journey at Pep Talk India?
My journey with Pep Talk has been amazing. I think the best decision that I've taken in the past few years.
I haven't asked her to speak this.
Believe me, she hasn't. So before I joined Pep Talk, I did do a lot of research because I was looking for an institute that would help me polish my skill as a trainer because I had zero background in training. But I wanted to join training because I had seen other trainers and that really motivated me to switch my stream.
That's right.
And in Pep Talk, I got the exposure to not only prepare myself to be a good trainer, so they gave me exposure in a lot of things actually, whether it was impromptus, whether it was about storytelling, debates, you name it, and I was trained on that.
Lovely to hear that. You know, it's always great when we listen from the luminous that how has been the journey of an individual. Okay, Pallavi, as you mentioned that you have done, of course, a lot of research before coming to Pep Talk India. So what made you join Pep Talk India?
So when I did do my research, I came across institutes, places where they were focusing only on, let's say, for example, your grammar, let's say, for example, just public speaking. But then when I saw the reviews about Pep Talk, I read about them, I saw people talk about it. That's when I realized that the overall development will happen if I join Pep Talk.
Yes.
And that's why I decided to do so.
And you know, I'll tell you something really funny. Like many times, generally the people who are working in the corporate, they would come up with this question, until and unless I see how things work out here, which means demonstration, demo classes, why should we trust you, this and that, right? So what would you like to say about this demonstration thing and all?
Well, I would say that you've got to come and see it for yourself. And trust me, it's not going to be a bad decision at all. So I don't really think, like Pep Talk has a name, right? A lot of people come and join this institute and people are joining without even taking a trial session, right? So I think
never give trial session,
exactly,
yeah.
You don't. And even I was apprehensive about it initially, but then when I joined, I realized that I did not make a mistake. So I think
because you see,
do
there
not
are
think
different
twice.
things. And as you mentioned that there are different sessions that we have here, like debate session, storytelling session, impromptu session. How would somebody know in just one session, let's say even 2 hours of demonstration, how would somebody know how the journey is going to unfold for another 3 months and 4 months, right? So yeah, this is what the situation of intelligent people is outside.
Well, I'll say that I have seen, like, our batch is a mixed batch. It's not like one session, one batch starts and then it finishes and then another batch starts. You have people joining the group every now and then.
As a result, you never get settled.
Exactly. And the advice I would want to give people, the ones who are thinking about joining Pep Talk, is that firstly, do not miss your sessions. I have seen a lot of people who start feeling that, oh, I don't think I fit in, oh, I'm scared to go on stage. That's because you have a mixed batch. You have people who've attended, let's say, 20 sessions, 25 sessions, and it's probably your first or second session. So you feel that, oh my God, they're so much better than you. But you're forgetting the fact that those people have been coming for sessions regularly, and that's the reason they are better as of now.
And that's why we say in public speaking, competition is needed.
Yes.
If there's no competition, there's no improvement. Think about the people, there are 10 new people sitting together, everybody is hesitant, everybody is talking to each other, that I don't know how things will be, and nobody is willing to come on the stage to talk about anything. And there are 2 guys, let's say 2 guys who have attended few of the classes, they're ever ready to come on the stage. As a result, you get your standard to meet. Yeah.
Yes, that's another actually very good thing about Pep Talk is that we have competitions very often. As soon as we finish a particular session, let's say for example on debates, there will be a competition. And again, I feel that yes, there are people who avoid competitions, which is actually a very bad thing. So I would suggest that if you are planning to do that, make the best of it. use every opportunity that you get to speak on stage. So be regular and yes, participate in
There's
competitions.
this question that I ask every individual in my video, of course, that what has been the most challenging thing that you had to do in Pep Talk India?
I think Pep Talk prepares you for the worst. You're never going to be comfortable. They're never going to put you in a situation where you'll be comfortable. They'll always make you uncomfortable. Yes, exactly. And that is what actually prepares you to face the world.
Yes. It's not sort of seminar or sort of, classes where 3-4 different classes put together.
You have no idea about what's going to happen next. You will have no idea that you're going to be the next one to come and speak on stage. It'll be so spontaneous that, trust me.
So as a trainer now, you are more willing to put yourself into the situation where you can do anything that comes your way.
Yes, in fact, even my company, my managers, they all have complimented me that in the past, let's say 6 months time or so, my training style has changed so much. It's just that they don't know the secret. The secret is because I joined Pep Talk and I have attended.
So tell them that join first, then get to know.
Oh yes, in fact, I have actually advised a lot of my friends to join Pep Talk, the ones who were actually interested in, being good at presentations. Because in my company, we are required to give a lot of presentations.
Right.
Every Friday, all department heads have to give a presentation.
Right. Thank you so much, Pallavi, for such a candid opinion that you came up with.
You're welcome.
And trust me, she's a luminous, which means she's not current student that she would be afraid to.
Yes.
Really thinking that, I don't know how the next class is going to be if I speak something really genuine. So yeah, this is how it goes. As she mentioned, as most of the people who have come in the videos, they have mentioned that it is not just going to be the planned session where you come and sit and listen the lecture or just speak it off and go away. It is going to prepare you for the worst, as she mentioned for that.
Right.
Thank you so much, Pallavi.
Thank you, ma'am.